everyone, you're welcome back. I'm NG Styles. So our our DIY Christmas gift idea continues. So tonight we'll be making Kiss 24 karat gold cream. Okay, it's a simple DIY that you're going to be making. So here I have my 13 ounces of shea butter in this cup. Here I have 3 ounces of cocoa butter, you can see. So next I'll be using rice bran oil, and I'll be using 2 ounces of rice bran oil, and I'll be adding my rose infused in olive oil, as you can see. So I'll be adding just 1 ounce of rose infused oil. Then here I have my J&J baby shampoo fragrance oil. You can use any Kids fragrance oil that you have available. And I'll be adding also lavender essential oil to it. I'll be adding 3 ml each. The lavender essential oil 3 ml, and the fragrance oil 3 ml. Then I'll be adding Xmas, which is also known as corn starch. Okay, you can use arrowroot powder for this recipe. You can also use tapioca, but here I am using corn starch. The job is to make it not be too oily on skin. Like for my kids, they don't like it when the cream is too oily, so I use this to reduce the oily. And then of course we'll be adding our 24 karat gold marker to it. All right, okay guys, so let's get making. Let's get to work. So I'm gonna go ahead now and melt this in my microwave. You can use double boiler method if you don't have microwave available. Okay, so I'm gonna use my microwave to melt it, and I will be back. Okay guys, so as you can see, our butters have fully melted. Here is the shea butter, and here is the cocoa butter. Why I didn't mix them together to melt them is because shea butter is softer, so it melts easily, faster. I mean, it melts faster than the cocoa butter. Okay, so the shea butter, you don't have to mix them because it takes longer for this cocoa butter to melt because it's harder. So we don't want to heat our shea butter. We don't want to overheat our shea butter so that we don't lose the healing property in it. Okay, and you need to melt them so that it doesn't turn or appear on the skin being grainy. If you don't, some people make this, they don't melt their butters, but if you don't melt your shea butter and make it, it will appear grainy on your skin when applied. Okay, I hope you understand what I mean. So don't mix your cocoa butter and your shea butter when melting, because they don't melt at the same time. Shea butter is softer, and you don't want to over melt your shea butter. What I didn't over melt it. I just get it soft a little and then keep stirring it. So with the heat and hotness, every other thing melted completely. Why you have to heat this for it to melt completely, because it's harder than shea butter. All right guys, so I'm going to stir it and let the oil cool a little before adding the rest of the oils. Okay.
It's a boom production.
Okay, so this, I left it for like 2 hours in my refrigerator because I went out. Okay, just coming back, so you can see the look. This is how it turns out to be. Let's see. Ooh, it hardened back, so I'm going to leave it for a few minutes so that it can soften a little before we start whipping. Okay. So that is it. I'm going to transfer it into a container now. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Very easy and simple. Make this for a gift. It's not for only kids. Adults can also use it, especially people with sensitive and dry skin. Okay, so that will be it for today's tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Stay organically beautiful. Okay, bye bye.